Hey wonderful, welcome back. You are watching DS Creation 7. Squids, onion, Richard masala. Do check out my recipe. The link is in the description box below. Coriander, salt, turmeric and kokum. Apply salt to the squids, add turmeric and give a very good mix and keep it aside. Now in a pan add in oil, add the squids and cook it for about 10 minutes. If you're new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Add kokum and cover the lid. Add oil, add the sliced onion and cook it until translucent. It's been around 10 minutes. Give a mix, add in the Rashad masala and cook it for another 10 minutes. You may serve it as it is as squid's masala, or else add the squid masala in the fried onion and saute it for another 2 minutes. Add in some water and cook it for 2 minutes on medium-high flame. Let's garnish it with some fresh coriander. You can also squeeze in some lemon juice before serving. And the squid's chili fry is ready. Enjoy! Until my next video, stay safe. Amor amor.